Hello world.
It's on. Say hi, Taizo.
Hi, Taizo.
Right now, both mics are stereo.
Dom, is the GoPro on?
Yes.
Set.
Prologue.
Prologue, evil stepmother.
Da, 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 da,
My fault.
It seems you're in quite a hurry to attend that ball. And let us not forget the full scope of today's agenda. The entire house must be spotless if you even dare to dream about stepping out this evening. You'll need to do all the laundry. All of it.
Go team.
And scrub the floors. Remember, dear, a modern woman makes her own independence. They're not some individual independence.
Now, a word from our sponsors.
Ladies and gentlemen, lend an ear. You're going to see some magic shoes. Try this last slipper. It's stunning and crystal clear, perfectly crafted, radiant. Protecting the ball, leaving a touch of fairy tale magic. The glass slipper makes every moment extraordinary.
And we're back with our regularly
hi.